The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain Illinois sexual harassment law. So first let's start with the definition of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is defined as any unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or any conduct of a sexual nature. It extends to clients and customers of the employer. So if a client or customer of the place you work is sexually harassing you and you bring that up to the employer and they don't take appropriate action based on that, then the employer is actually liable for sexual harassment. So the employer has a duty to create a safe working environment for the employees, and if they're not doing anything to take action based on sexual harassment, they're not creating a safe working environment. Another thing to understand is that retaliation against an employee who reports sexual harassment is also illegal and can lead to a separate claim against the employer. So retaliation is defined as any behavior intended to dissuade an employee from filing a sexual harassment report or participating in a sexual harassment investigation. This includes promises intended to entice the employee to recall their sexual harassment claims. So this can be demoting or firing the employee or making any sort of negative change for them in their employment, but it can also include bonuses or promotions for keeping quiet. So any of that is retaliation and leads to a separate claim. So if you've suffered sexual harassment, what should you do? What are the steps you should follow? Step one is to let the harasser know that the behavior is unwelcome and inappropriate. Step two is to immediately record any notes of your recollection of the harassment. So get everything on paper while it's fresh, and you can use that those notes in any later legal action and refresh your memory with them. Third, you want to identify any potential witnesses, discuss the situation with them, make sure that they understand that they're witnesses and that they're willing to testify if necessary. Fourth, notify your superiors and give them a solid description of what happened. And fifth, report the matter to the Illinois Department of Human Rights and the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. You can have parallel claims in both of those places, and that's kind of your first remedy for sexual harassment. It's also a good idea to speak to an attorney as soon as possible. They can make sure that your claims with those organizations go through, follow up on them, make sure that they're speedily processed, and if they fail in those organizations, if your claims fail, the attorney can then take advantage of the legal system. But it helps to get the attorney involved from the outset. Finally, if the sexual harassment is criminal in nature, make sure you notify law enforcement. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the YouTube video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud so that you can be notified of our daily article and video topics that we post. If you need some help, feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thanks so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.